In the episode number 124 of the A.S.A.P Tech News, we talk about KLEVV and their latest DDR5 RAM kit. Intel releases their latest ARC graphics card driver, EK Waterblocks launches an all-black variant of their popular EK Quantum Surface Radiators, and Sparkle has decided to re-enter the graphics card market, sporting the Intel ARC graphics cards. We start with KLEVV and their new DDR5 RAM kits, the CRAS VRGB and Bolt V. For those that do not know KLEVV, it's a company owned by A.S.A.P and have been around for not that many years. The two RAM kits launched are both DDR5 and are designed to overclock as well as look good. The CRAS VRGB and the Bolt V are compatible with both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, as well as being included within the QVL list of many motherboard manufacturers. The main differences between these two RAM kits is the design. While the Bolt V has a simple all-black design with no RGB, the CRAS VRGB, as the name suggests, is packed with RGB LEDs and a more exotic heatsink design. The availability of these RAM kits starts on the second quarter of this year and the prices are not yet known. Next, Intel has released their latest ARC graphics card driver, now at version 101.4335. This is a beta release that brings out optimizations for 3 video games: Star Wars Jedi Survivor, The Swordsman X Survival, and Redfall. This driver release brings no fixed issues but does identify plenty of known issues, too many to list them in a single video. What is good to see though is the effort that Intel puts into their ARC graphics card drivers. Their driver release frequency must be at least double that of Nvidia and AMD drivers, which is good because it means that the ARC graphics cards are here to stay and improve. We continue with EK Waterblocks, which has launched the black edition of the EK Quantum Surface Radiator. In essence, these are identical with the regular radiators but sporting an all-black design and the same retail price. The 240mm all-black radiator has a recommended price tag of 89.90 euros, while the 360mm radiator has a recommended price tag of 119.90 euros. From a design standpoint, the EK Quantum Surface Radiators always looked good, with a thickness of 44mm and copper fins with a fin per inch density of 18. We shall see how good this will sell, especially with the offerings from other manufacturers. And finally, Sparkle, the not so well known graphics card manufacturer that was doing mostly if not exclusively Nvidia graphics cards, has returned, and this time they are an Intel ARC exclusive board partner. This re-entering into the market will happen with the launch of 3 graphics cards: the A750 Titan, A750 Orc, and A380 Elf. Yes, the names are a bit odd, but it is what it is. What is important here is that another manufacturer is entering the market on the Intel side, and that's great news for us as consumers. More manufacturers means more competition and better pricing, or at least better price to performance ratios. Or at least that's what I hope. And this is the end of the episode number 124 of the A.S.A.P Tech News, one of the few tech news series which aims to deliver you the news as fast as possible for your convenience.